Welcome to the quick tutorial on how to change the filament on the Replicator 2X. The first step is to determine whether you'll be using ABS or PLA material. ABS material requires a heated plate such as the one provided here on the Replicator 2X, and it is also the preferred material to do an acetone treatment afterwards. On the contrast, PLA material does not require a heated plate, but it is not the preferred material for doing acetone treatment. Next, we can go on to the screen on board the MakerBot Replicator 2X, and we can go down to Utilities, change filament, and now we have the option whether to unload the right extruder or the left extruder. For this demonstration, we will unload the right extruder. At this point, the extruder will start heating up. It might take a couple of minutes to heat up, but be cautious, the extruder will be extremely hot during this process, so do not touch the extruder. At this point, the extruder is completely heated up, and we can remove the protective covering on top of the Replicator 2X. And we can easily see how the filament comes right off. We can now filter the filament into the spool. And on the spool itself, there's holes. We can use that to place the filament in there to make sure it doesn't move. Now we can remove the spool from the Replicator 2X. Now we can grab a new spool that you want to insert, and we're going to place it into the MakerBot and load it into the tube, as was before. At this point, we can go back to the menu, click on the M to go back to our options, and we can click on Load Right. And we'll be prompted to feed the filament back in. Softly feed the filament in, the motor itself will pick up on the filament. I'll start to extrude it. Once you feel a tug, let it go. And watch the extruder. Once you see about 2 inches of filament extruded, you can click back on the M. 2 inches. Click on the M, take it back to the option menu. I'm going to put back the protective covering. Remove the filament, and you have successfully changed the filament on your Replicator 2X.